Hello friends, today I will show you how to fix login problems in POF or Plenty of Fish app. So let me first open the POF app. So here if you are facing any login problem, so I will show you some methods. Just follow the methods, it will fix your problem. So first of all, check if you are connected to internet or not. If you are connected to internet or Wi-Fi, then try to log in again. If it still can't fix your problem, then I will show you the next step. So the next step is we have to clear the app cache files. So in order to do that, go to the settings, then go to apps, then go to manage apps. Wait a little bit. Here we have to find the POF app. So this is the POF app. So tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. Then open your POF app. Then try to log in again. If it still can't fix your problem, then try to update the app from the Play Store. Maybe your app is not updated, that's why you are facing this problem. And after doing the update of the app, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.